All right, let's talk about deep linking because this is something that you're going to encounter in your iOS mobile development journey. And what is deep linking is basically having a URL, a simple URL, where you link from one app to another app or even to a particular view in an app. So that's really all it is. So a deep link in the context of SwiftUI or any mobile development framework refers to a type of link that directs a user to a specific location within an app rather than simply launching the app. Deep linking is used to take users to specific content or pages within an app, which can be particularly useful for promotional campaigns, navigation from other apps or websites, and improving the overall user experience by saving time and effort in locating particular content within an app. Now, the reason why I go over the definition of this so much is because I hate to say it, but I go to other YouTube videos and even dictionary definitions, and you get an accurate description of what a deep link is, but you kind of still don't really know what the hell it is, right? You can literally go online and find something about deep linking, watch the video, watch the tutorial, and some of these videos you can still not, well, still, what the fuck is it, right? And so that's the reason why I'm talking about what exactly a deep link is, and I'm trying to be very specific about it. So, in other words, it's a way to link from one app on your iPhone in the same OS, right? So I'm not talking about from some other computer. I'm talking about on your phone. You click a button and you open up another app. Click a button in one app and you open up another app to another app or specific view within your app, right? App one, you have one custom URL, deep link, and it goes to the custom profile page. Boom. You click another button, and it goes to your custom home view page. Same app, but different views within the same app. Okay, I hope I've made that particularly clear because other people who have YouTube videos have not made it clear. All right, so first of all, in order to do this, you just need a URL scheme. So for example, this deep link is a URL, it's called deep link prac / profile, right? And this is the URL. This is URL to an app or a view within an app. You'll set it in the info.p list, which is right here. And I'll show you how to do that. And you set it by saying deep link prac. There you go. That's your scheme. Now, when you pass your profile parameter, when you pass your profile parameter, that's gonna go to an enumeration. And that enumeration is gonna decide where it navigates to. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. Now, if you have any questions about this, I want you to go to download the project from my GitHub. There's the link and it's in the description. Okay? So, yeah. Let's go ahead and get to it. So first of all, I'm going to exit the full screen on here and let's go to this. So basically, what you do is you go into your project. You go to your info P list right here, right? URL types, and in URL types, your editor, URL schemes, and you add it here. But look, the easy way to add deep link prac to your info.p list is not to go through here. It's to highlight your project. Okay. Go to info. Go to the bottom, URL types. Click. You're going to press this plus button. And then you will get this. In URL streams, you'll add the name of your scheme. Okay. Now, and then you will go to, once you add this, you will be able to go into your app. Let's go ahead and run this. Now you have this. Now I'm going to press the home button. Go and open up your browser, your Safari browser, right? And we're going to say home practice. What do I call this? Let me go back to my where's my right here. Okay. Actually, I actually put the URL in here, right? So oh crap. Where did I put the URL? Hold on. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna copy this. See, I'm gonna go back to my simulator, go here, and I'm gonna paste this in here. Command V or crap, paste, dprac : / That's the URL. And now I should see this, click open, and it opens my app. And you should be able to do that off out of the gate once you add your URL scheme. Out of the gate, right? But the next thing you have to do is you go here, and you have to add this functionality. So what I did was I added my select tab properties using the states wrapper. Okay. Add state for deep link destination and content view.tab. I added this, and this is an enum that I created. That I created down here. So you're gonna add this and this to your project, not the one you download, but in your project if you're starting from scratch. Then you add this around to your content view, and you're gonna pass the @selected tab or whatever you're passing to your content view. If you're not passing anything to it, you don't have to add anything. But then you have your .open URL and your handle link URL. Okay? And this is handle deep link URL. And you're going to say get host URL components. This will get that parameter, whether it's profile or home. That's what this does. Right? URL components, it breaks it down into parts. It breaks down your URL into parts, right? And you resolve your base, your host, and then, but this host is one of your parameters after the two backslashes. Okay? Either profile or home. And then if it's the string profile, you're gonna set your deep destination, deep link destination to profile, and your selected tab will be profile. And that's the reason why I passed this here. Because in content view, you're passing which tab is going to be selected, right? Because you're dealing with a tab bar item, right? And of course, you have a home view behind the tab item, and you have a profile view behind the tab item, okay? Let's go back. Yeah, and that's all that you have. So now, again, you build this. Since this is already built, let's go back here and we're gonna close this out. We're gonna go here, right? And now, again, what I need to do is come back here, okay? And I need to get, I need to get this, go my URL types, get deep link prac, C, go back here, Command V, colon, // and let's say profile. Right? Click this, open deep link prac, and instead of opening the default home, it opens profile, a different view, a particular view, right? And of course, if I want to open home, I can also specify that because it's also in our enumeration, right? Deep link prac colon / home. And there we go. Okay. And of course, I can add other views to this, right? Right. And then specify in my @main, in my app file, specify them in this switch case logic and make whatever I need to select the tab and yeah, and just basically name the destination or the URL that I open, right? So yeah, deep link destination, yeah, and yeah, that is it. So again, you can download this code from my GitHub repo, go through it, and message me in the comments or message me personally with any questions you have. I will explain it, and I'm on to the next.